Welcome! In this video, we will cover how to manage pricing exceptions utilizing a price matrix within Field Central, including some best practices. Price matrix allows companies to set up seasonal service pricing based on the factors that are important to them. In addition, this tool allows users to seamlessly mass update and maintain pricing from one location, even if needing to take into account modifying factors. The ability to set as do not allow invoicing allows companies to custom price larger properties based on variance as size increases. Once you have logged into Field Central, navigate to the settings page via the quick access panel. Select to open services, then select price matrix. When entering the price matrix last value ranges pricing structure, there are a few additional options to keep in mind to account for pricing exceptions. These pricing exceptions can be managed in two different ways via a price matrix. First, select Do Not Allow Invoicing on the final value range. This will force manual intervention and provide either a price override or property level pricing. Second, utilize the price structure flat rate plus each additional unit. This will allow the user to establish a flat rate in the event the property meets the minimum value on the final value range, but also provide the ability to establish a cost per each additional unit. If a visit reaches billing that has been flagged by a price matrix as a value with Do Not Allow for Invoicing, you will see an alert icon and a message within the billing page. This alert will force a manual price override before it can be sent to billing. We highly encourage our clients to set up and leverage this tool if they are needing a way to manage how services are priced in a scalable way that saves you time. By using the price matrix tool, users can mass update pricing structures and take into account modifying factors as needed. Price matrix is the ideal tool for standardizing your pricing across your customer base.